Yes, so your son's been very disruptive in class, and he needs to be talked to. Yeah, he's very rude too. So, just what you do when you come to school, huh?
You kind of fine.
Got you up here first. Wait, I'm gonna break your neck.
You kind of fine.
Okay, I'll talk to him when I get home. Okay? Okay. Yes, he's very rude in class. He's a bully to some of the kids, and he just doesn't listen to anybody. So I think you need to talk to him. Okay. I go talk to him right now. Okay? Hey, wait. I'll be back.
You kind of fine.
Okay, he won't do it again. Okay? Okay. Thank you.
Got him!
This is